Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you tired of staring at a dull and monotonous terminal in Visual Studio Code? Well, you're not alone. Many developers have faced this issue, and it's more common than you think. In this video, we'll explore the possible reasons why your terminal might not be showing any colors in Versus Code, and provide you with step-by-step solutions to get those vibrant colors back on your screen. Today, we'll dive into the world of terminal configurations, syntax highlighting, and plugin setting. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what's going wrong and how to fix it. So, let's get started. So, why isn't my terminal showing any colors? The first thing to check is your terminal configuration. Are you using the default VS Code terminal or a custom one sometimes? Custom terminals can cause issues with color rendering. To troubleshoot this, try switching to the default terminal and see if that resolves the issue. Another common culprit is syntax highlighting. If syntax highlighting is disabled or not properly configured, it can affect the colors in your terminal. Check your Versus Code settings to ensure that syntax highlighting is enabled for your programming language of choice. Now, let's talk about plugins. Are you using any third-party plugins that might be interfering with your terminal colors? Some plugins can override default color schemes or introduce conflict. Try disabling all unnecessary plugins and see if that fixes the issue. Lastly, it's essential to check your Versus Code settings for any custom color configurations. Sometimes we unintentionally modify settings that affect our terminal colors. Review your settings to ensure everything is set to its default value. To help you visualize this process, think of your terminal as a canvas where different components contribute to the final picture. Your terminal configuration sets the background, syntax highlighting adds the paint, and plugins provide additional brushstrokes. When all these elements work in harmony, you get a beautiful, colorful terminal. Before we wrap up, let's recap the essential points. Check your terminal configuration to ensure it's set to its default value. Verify that syntax highlighting is enabled for your programming language. Disable any unnecessary plugins that might be interfering with your terminal color. Review your Versus Code settings for any custom color configurations. That's it. By following these simple steps, you should now have a colorful and vibrant terminal in Visual Studio Code. If you're still facing issues or have questions about this topic, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you resolve your terminal color woes, and consider subscribing for more content on developer tools and productivity tips. As always, thanks for watching.